How to install Sora 2 on PC or laptop. So if you want to install Sora 2 on your PC or your laptop, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. On your browser, you need to just go with your search and search for Sora 2. And once you've searched for Sora 2, you will have openai.com, which says Sora 2 is here. You need to just click on the OpenAI section. And once you're here it says that download the Sora app. So you need to click on the download section. And as you can see that you will have the interface from where you'll be able to download. But you can also just simply go with login, which will be on the top right, and then go with Sora and just go and log into your account at first. And once you've logged in to your Sora, you need to just go with the three dots, which will be in the top right. And here you will have an option of cast, save, and share. You need to go with install Sora, which will be right here on the left side, and go with install again. Once you click on install, as you can see that it has been installed, you'll have the application right here, or you can just simply go back and it will also be saved on your home screen. As you can see that I have the application right here. So that's how you can install Sora 2 on your PC or your laptop. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.